persistent, overcome. Never let people tell you you cannot do it. Don't let people say, suppress you, or you cannot make it happen. Don't let the negativity influence you. You know you can do it.
UEI has prepared you for critical careers. These careers are the backbone of our state's economy. Georgia's growth and prosperity depend on the skilled professionals like you are about to become. Your skills are in demand more than ever.
We want our students to graduate and to stay here. You are important to our community and the entire Central Valley. I want to acknowledge the energy and commitment to education and teaching from the wonderful UEI family of teachers and staff. Without them, you would not be here.
Through service, which many of you are entering, your willingness to serve and give back to community is needed. I am so excited to know that there are reinforcements on the horizons. And so the graduates who are here today, I am grateful that you took the time and commitment to give back. Looking at this graduating class, I see my community and I'm excited that we have a future generation of providers who will work towards lifetime educational attainment.
Reflect on those who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes, help you to achieve this degree or certification. Seek the meaning beyond your paycheck. When you find a purpose in your work, you will be motivated, make a real difference. You will have opportunity to change lives. You have earned your wings. After tonight, you will have new wings to spread and the power to soar high with purpose.
It's all about hard work, a mindset, and loving what you do. So I'm honored to be here. I'm honored to talk to you. Success is directly proportional to effort, and hard work and integrity always wins.
What you have done today, what you have achieved today despite all odds, what you have done to earn the respect, it's huge. You shouldn't be here, I shouldn't be here, but here you are with your family, here you are with respected members of this community. You have made smart choices.
Dwayne, I have here for you on behalf of the California State Senate from Senator Shannon Rhodes. It says, congratulations on the completion of the medical assistant program at UEI.
UEI has a host of wonderful programs that will lead you to a great career. All of you that went into it, you're smart. You're going to make a great living. And as our city grows, the demand for healthcare grows. I am most grateful for UEI providing programs to create workforce jobs that are needed so much in our city and in our state.
I would like to invite to the stage our valedictorian, Emmanuel Martinez.
Pleased to announce that Assembly Member Jesse Gabriel from California Assembly District 46 has also provided personalized certificates of recognition from the California State Assembly for all of you.
We absolutely need your help. When I was talking to some of the graduates earlier, I heard so many firsthand stories of the inspiration for the service careers that they are taking on. Make sure that this doesn't stop here. Make sure that this is the beginning of living that life of service and giving back. Use those incredible opportunities that you have earned, not just for yourself, but to better the community. We believe in you, we're proud of you, and we're going to make sure we have your back.
You took a leap forward to change your life. Maybe you even doubted yourself at times. That perseverance, that heart, that is something that nobody can take from you. They can't take your education, they can't take your heart, they can't take your grit. Your education is very powerful. It is going to connect you to real opportunities, real careers, real people where you can make a real impact. Every day in Sacramento, when folks come into my office to talk to me about what's happening in our community, to talk to me about the jobs that are not being filled, we need you. We need your skills, we need your dedication, we need your leadership.
I understand when you feel alone. I understand when you're trying to focus on the obstacles instead of the opportunities. But I also know the joy and the satisfaction when you step past that and when you start to believe in yourself and take concrete steps to make tomorrow much, much better than today. All of you are needed to represent a very large state that is now the 4th largest economy in the world, above Japan. You've had some great help along the way. Maybe it's your friends. Maybe it's the faculty and staff at UEI. Whoever it is, you got help.
UEI College is known for something truly special, providing real-world, career-focused education that leads directly to high-demand jobs. Vocational education stands out as one of the smartest, most effective paths a person can take. You train for a purpose. In Riverside and the Inland Empire, we all see it. It's growing really fast. And our community needs skilled, dedicated professionals. UEI is helping answer that call because of you. You are the future of Riverside, and Riverside could not be prouder.
Workforce education is the backbone of a strong, thriving community. Programs like UEI College open doors for individuals like you who learn by doing, those who are ready to roll up their sleeves, to serve their communities, and to step into high-demand careers that make a real difference. At UEI College, you've gained not just skills, but the confidence to thrive in careers that make a difference all over the world.
Let us be very clear. A pathway to a 4-year college is not the right pathway for everyone. This is why career training is so important. It's a pathway that allows you to establish yourself and begin building a meaningful career. Today, you're not only graduates, you're the acclamation of your hard work, resilience, and self-belief. You're stepping into the heart of healthcare. You are joining industries that keep our homes powered, our vehicles running, and our environment comfortable and safe. We need more passionate and dedicated workers like you to help continue making the California dream a reality. Congratulations.
I'm a strong supporter of career technical education. I'm commending you to putting in the work at UEI College right here in my heart, in my district, in Senate District 36. If you believe in yourself, there's no dream that is unachievable. Just know that you are stronger today and that you didn't make excuses.
Hello, I'm Assemblymember Jose Luis Solache, and I want to congratulate the incredible graduates of UEI College in Huntington Park, my district. Your hard work, resilience, and commitment to career education are building stronger families and a stronger Southeast Los Angeles. Many of you are first in your families to graduate, and that is something to celebrate. Congratulations, graduates. We are proud of you and excited for what is ahead.
As a teacher and a proud supporter of education, I know how much heart and hustle it takes to get to this moment, especially for those of you who are the first in your families to graduate. Graduating is a big deal. By choosing workforce education at UEI College in West Covina, you've taken a powerful step towards building a better life. And you're also helping to fill critical jobs that keep the Fighting 48th moving forward. Your success in our community is our community's success.
There will be moments when things will feel uncertain and you will feel stuck, where things will get hard. And in those moments, I would invite you to look at the diploma that you are about to receive. And may it be a reminder to you that you can persevere, that you can do hard things.
Today is a celebration of hard work and determination, a vision for a better future, not only for yourselves, but for the communities and industries you are about to transform. These careers are the backbone of our state's economy and the foundation for all of our communities. You made a brilliant choice with your career choice. Every trade and profession represented here today will play a pivotal role in keeping Georgia running strong.
You didn't just complete a program today. You built a foundation for a better future. I've had a chance to talk to a few UEI leaders, and I was absolutely impressed. I mean, your journey to get here is workforce education at its best. It's practical, it's hands-on, and it opens real doors. This city values each and every one of you. People like you who get things done, like you who are willing to learn, like you who have the courage and tenacity to move yourself forward. Boy, should you all be proud of yourself.
I see something powerful. I see the future of Phoenix, the backbone of our community, and individuals who chose a path that serves others and strengthens our entire city. Some of you discovered that hands-on learning was where you truly thrived. Whatever brought you to UEI College, you made a choice to persevere, to grow, and to prepare yourselves for careers that our community needs. You chose UEI College because you learn best by doing. You can't learn it from the sidelines. Your best work is still up ahead.
It's truly an honor to join you for such a special occasion to celebrate the 2025 graduating class of UEI College. You get to decide exactly what success means to each of you. And you already know that you have exactly what it takes to reach it.
Today marks an incredible milestone, a moment of pride not only for you, but also for your families, instructors, and community who supported you along the way. Workforce education is the backbone of our economy. Through your dedication and training, you're ready to take on essential roles that will strengthen the Central Valley, our state, and our entire nation. The skills you've gained at UEI College will open doors to opportunity and service, and I can't wait to see the places each of you will no doubt lead and shine.
You remained resilient in your pursuit of education, receiving hands-on skills that positively impact our community. The jobs you will fill matter deeply to families, businesses, and neighborhoods across Bakersfield and Kern County. And I am excited about all the ways you will serve and succeed. Again, congratulations, class of 2025.
Your city is proud of you. I've seen firsthand how powerful it is when people invest in themselves. Success isn't just about titles. It isn't just about paychecks. It's about how you show up for other people.
You chose to invest yourselves through education. You selected a path at UEI College because you wanted hands-on training. UEI's mission is to drive personal and community transformation by empowering students to make a positive and enduring life change. That mission applies not just to institutions, but to each of you. The world needs you.
The strength of our community comes from hard work and people like you. UEI's program are building the foundation of our local economy. You are stepping into careers that make differences in healthcare, business, and skilled trades that keep our community strong. Each of you represent the future of the Valley. To the faculty, staff, and leadership at UEI College, thank you for believing in the students and guiding them to this moment.
Each of you has chosen a path that keeps our communities running,
Vocational education like UEI's doesn't just change individual lives, it strengthens our entire region. Fresno and the Central Valley depend on people like you to fill essential, high-demand jobs that keep our homes comfortable, our families healthy, and our communities safe.
Let's all take a moment to thank the amazing staff and the teachers of UEI College. The ones who don't just teach trades, they teach confidence, craftsmanship, and pride. They remind us that skilled work is honorable work. They aren't just shaping students, they also are shaping the future.
Maybe this is your first career, maybe this is your second, or this is your fifth. It does not matter. Each of you is wearing the same gown and the same cap. The #1 growing sector in California are in the jobs that you dove into. The #1 growing small businesses in LA County are in the jobs that you're getting your license in. I am excited that you're closing the gap. And after your graduation and after you get your diploma, it doesn't end there. You have a home, a focus point, a foundation that you can always turn to ensure that they can help you find a job, network, connection, because that's what it's all about. Ensuring that people know your name and you're getting your name out there. Thank you for choosing this.
You are all basically adventurers with real practical skills.
Each of you has taken a bold step toward building a stronger, more skilled, and more resilient community. The workforce training opened the doors that once seemed out of reach. And to the family and friends and instructors and everyone who supported this class, I want to thank you. Your encouragement helped make today possible.
Every one of you have chosen a specific trade and you made wise choices. All of the trades I heard talked about that you're all are graduating are trades that will provide you with a job for the rest of your life. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. You're at the beginning. Look, this isn't the end. Graduation isn't the end. It's the beginning.
We are celebrating the meaningful investment you have made in your future, because we all know we need more passion and dedicated workers like you to help continue making California Dream a reality. Your future starts now, and I believe in each and every one of you. Congratulations, graduates.
I'm also excited to share that you are receiving a personalized certificate of recognition for your outstanding achievement from Senator Catherine Blake Spears, representing California's 38th Senate District.
We are so proud to have UEI in West Covina. The road you have chosen required a lot of self-discipline, determination, and sacrifice on your part to get where you are today. You stayed the course and fought a good fight, and it was worth it. I commend each one of you for your achievement. Congratulations, you did it.
As it is my pleasure to present you with a certificate of recognition from State Senator Lina Gonzalez.